Hi, I'm Mary Alice Monroe.
And I'm Angela May. We are the authors of The Islanders.
And welcome to Hyler House here on Deweese Island, where we wrote The Islanders and where the story takes place. Today we're going to be talking about a theme that's very important to both Angela and I and the kids in the novel, like creating your own journals. Honey, the grandmother, really wanted her grandchildren and all the children to not be afraid of what is wild. When you know the names of something, the plants, the birds, the kind of insect that might be crawling around, you won't be afraid. It'll be part of your home.
But the question is, what is a nature journal? And the great answer is, it's something easy that anybody can do at home. And so we today are here to give you ideas about how you can make your own nature journal. You do not need to go to the store and buy something fancy. You have everything at home. So you could dig in your supplies, and if you have a brand new composition book,
here's mine.
Has one. Yeah, you could use that. Or this one, I just ripped out the old used pages and here's what's left. Or you could even have a small one that you can tuck in your pocket. Like, look, these are just
nice
leftover index cards, y'all. It's so easy. So all you need is something with paper and a way to personalize the cover. So markers, crayons, stickers. I mean, we just dug through our art box at home. I brought like old tags, you know, you can glue things on there. And one of the fun things I like to do with my kids is we like to go through old magazines. I mean, you get those for free sometimes at the grocery store, at the little magazine stands, or it might come in your mailbox, but save some old magazines and go through and cut out pictures or letters.
Cut it out?
Yeah, that make you happy. And then what you do is you will decorate the front of your notebook any way you would like. And then make sure you have glue, tape, and scissors to make yourself a nature journal.
Here's the key. You get to figure out what you're interested in. What have you seen? What have you observed when you're out walking on the island that you want to learn about? So in the book, Jake started drawing a picture. He drew a picture of a bird. He thought it was a cool bird. He shows it to his grandmother, Honey, and she says, well, what's the name of that bird? Well, I don't know. So you look for the details. So when you do your journal, you draw the details, the beak, the eye, the size of the bird. Is it a big bird? Is it a little bird? Look for details on the wingspan. What color is it? When you're doing an insect, when you're drawing a plant, details are so important. So draw them. Or if you have your phone, take a picture of it. And then you go to the sources and you find out the name. And that's a whole journey. You're gonna love being able to say, oh, look, I figured out it's a wood stork. And you can put that information in your journal. That's all you need. What you find, what you observe makes it personal, and you put it in your journal. And then the best part is you can tell about what you thought about it, how it makes you feel. It's private, it's yours.
That is true. And you don't have to be on a barrier island like we are right now, or like our characters are in The Islanders. You can be anywhere. You can observe nature from where you live, anywhere in the world, or where you might travel this summer.
In your own backyard. You'd be surprised at the exotic that you don't know the names of in your own backyard. And I bet your mama might not know either, so have her help you.
That is true. And when you take the time to make a journal entry, Mary Alice did a great job talking about writing down the details or sketching out what you see. It's also important to make sure you put 3 simple things on there: the date, the time of day, and your location. Because when you complete your journal, this is a great historical record for you of all that you have learned and seen. And when you do take time to write what you observe, what you feel, what you can smell. It's all so important, and there's no wrong answer whatsoever.
And it's yours for the rest of your life. You'll find that when you have your journal, it's become personal. It's not diary. There's a difference. But this is something you can share. And when you are older, who knows, maybe you'll share it with your children too.
That is true. And If you would like, you can pick up your own DIY nature journal sticker from the Charleston County Public Library. We'll make sure there are plenty for you to enjoy this summer.
And we can't wait to talk to you about the Islanders, where these kids learn about journaling just like you.
So make sure you reserve your copy from the Charleston County Library this summer.